So yesterday I was thinking about six flip, as you do, and I was trying to think of if there's a way to influence the 4C that you get in the misoriented center solution for this edge case. More specifically, when you do an M prime and then you put these opposite from each other, you have this like weird MC arrow. But when you have an arrow, you can choose the direction of the U move that you do. You can do it like that or like that. And so I was playing around with that and noticed that for a lot of these cases, the U move that you do changes it from a 3 cycle to a like 2 swap. So for example, here, if I'm looking at these white edges, if I do it this way, it puts that one on the edge on the bottom. So now I have this 3 cycle. But if I do it the other way, it puts both of the white edges on the same face, giving a 2 swap. And I found that like for the vast majority of these cases, if you give yourself this 2 swap, you just save moves. So for example, here, if I just do that and then, do the rest, it's a very nice 4C. And I did this like 30, 40 times yesterday. And I found that for every single case except for one, it saved moves, saving anywhere between 1 and 4 moves, which is pretty good. I think the average was like 1.8, but I didn't do that many tests. So yeah, I'll just do some more examples. So here I do an M, and then, I have these yellows that I'm looking at. So I'll do the arrow in a way that puts them both in the top layer. You can also look at the whites if you want, but whatever works. And then I have this 4C case. So I'll just do that. And then the rest is easy. Here I'll do my M prime. And then I have these white edges. So I'll stack them. And then here I have this line and this line, so I know to do M prime to M prime. I have a video about why that works if that's not immediately intuitive to you. And then here we have M, and then I'll do a U because I want to stack these yellows. And then here M prime to M, and then it's done. Sometimes you'll get a case where it doesn't matter. Specifically, if you have like your yellow edges or white edges, whatever, opposite to each other like this, then if you do it in either direction, you'll get the 3 cycle, so it doesn't matter. But yeah, if you can give yourself a 2 swap, it seems like it helps, like most of the time. So I don't know if that's anything, but I'll test it more. So far, it seems like it is good and cool.